Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Corolla tire. First, gather your essential tools, a jack, lug wrench, and your spare. Make sure your car is on a flat, safe surface, away from traffic. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that are not flat for added safety. Now, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen all the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Next, position the jack correctly under the car's frame, near the flat tire. Carefully raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground and can spin freely. Once the car is lifted, completely remove all the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire and mount it onto the wheel studs, ensuring it's properly aligned. Hand tighten the lug nuts onto the spare tire to hold it in place before lowering the vehicle. Now, carefully lower the vehicle until the spare tire just touches the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. For more helpful tips and great deals, check the description below. Finally, lower the car completely, remove the jack, and store your tools and the flat tire safely. Drive to a repair shop soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.